Welcome back to another episode of Do It the Hard Way. And in this episode, we are going to be looking at replacing all instances of a word with something else without the help of any other tool. So the file we are going to be modifying is named sample. Let's add into that file sample. And as you can see, we are going to be replacing the word dark with red, perhaps. So let's start. First of all, we need to create a temporary file where we can store the modified contents of the original file. So it goes like this. Touch. We'll name the file red and then execute our command. So we say while read r line semicolon do line. Now this is the code to replace all instances of one word with another. Uh, double forward slash, then the word we want to replace, which in this case is dark, and the word we want to replace it with, red, then close curly brace. Then this statement needs to be echoed into the temporary file. So we say echo, then we direct this to the temporary file named red and say done. Then we need to fit we need to feed the file that we are modifying into the code. So we'll say sample.txt. Then afterwards, we need to cat the contents of the temporary file to the original file, overriding the contents. So we can have the new contents. So sample.txt, and here we say semicolon cat red into sample. And then after this, we need to delete the temporary file. So we say rm, the name of the temporary file is red. And if we have done everything correctly, it should work. Okay, let's bat into the file again and see if the contents have been modified. Bat sample. And as you can see, the original contents have been replaced. The word dark has been replaced with the word red. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and that will be it. I'll see you on the next one.